by no. You understand? She came out, gonna insult my wife enemy. Blah 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 blah. You say all manner of things. I go talk to them when I sit down. I go talk to them because I don't want to talk to you at all. I don't want to talk more things about you at all. I just look at you abandon because I go can has to be in it. You understand? I go can has to be in it, but I will teach you lesson now when you say you want marry and I'm gonna beat you. And because now you will not be two now, you go switch me to beat now. E bon here gala about yiri me na gbe na ku work is salasa you ya marry. Because when you have people salasa, you have body family okay. When you have your body salasa, you have your body family okay from up to down. Motai, go and mark it. If I talk something they do. You do your own. I don't answer you. No. It man say because I feel your pain. I feel your pain. Also, man say you know why I want to answer you today? I was opportunity to I just play games since I said I just enter Facebook. Then I just scramble to this girl name Becky. I just see Becky got the live the saga Pradmo. The saga Pradmo. Which they got this now? No sister to the saga. I don't even know where the saga is. I surprised to see Becky the saga Pradmo. I say, what's gonna happen? The problem maybe with Becky, the Becky now the saga Pradmo. I think the last time I checked, I see yes, Becky don't marry. What's it cause concern Becky concern Pradmo? When I listen, you know. Now I go Pradmo page. I have to write Pradmo art. Cannot the follow one. I write up on my phone. It show. I can't watch the video. I can't see the video what she don't do. I can't watch the video. I can't watch one of her video what she did do. She did saga Becky. I can't listen to her. Just hang before they play game and they listen to Pradmo. Then she started to mention my name. Pepper them. You want to do pepper them. Becky get belle. Becky not get belle. See you want to get belle because of say one pepper Frank Victor. If Frank Victor, oh you any me now? A real muzzle. If Frank Victor you any me now, we can saga Becky. Me not looking Frank Victor. A real muzzle, a year period liquor, not a lot of period. Right? I just watch her. Okay. And so then I'm married. Maybe not even know. Because I don't even know see somebody that will tie dog chain for your hand. See somebody don't engage her. Oh, but the thing can't be interesting. Come like me not do this Facebook. Now I still go back to Becky again. Come go they watch Becky. And then I will not see na Salas. Then they call the boy. Because see Becky don't bring and Becky page for carry this picture. I can't look see queen, king and queen. I can't listen to Becky. Becky can't make some small sense. So the sense we first see when he make you see. Say the guy engaged on surprisingly engagement. As the guy engaged on they saw the same shirts, king and queen. Oh now wear the same shirts. That means not say you know say the guy want engage you. It was not a surprise engagement. It was arranged engagement. It was a planned engagement. It was not a surprise one. Okay. That one on one side. Now the way to you didn't know when you're Salas. Because me and Bob well when we were the egg book wedding. We're not certain why I deal with you. The reason why you wanting me to marry you was for me to help you to saga your mother. By now, yes, Oderema. You understand? We're not here abandoning you for years. You marry I need you. You might college you. You understand? You're insulting your mother, even in my presence. So somebody like you, or could be here till you were. And that was why I ran away from you. Before you came on social media, started insulting me. You understand? Okay. A lot of people will say, oh, love your cocoa, love your cocoa, whatever was here. But they will not know where the whole scenario start from. I was just on my own. Where did this guy start from? After he inspired already, you started creating content. Benin boy is not good. Italian boy is not good. Italian boy to the link to. Italian boy is not good. That was your. You say according to you, you say it was your content. Between me, you, Atiti, Mama Ego, and rest other people that knows that I was dating you, no say that me you they talk to. Say Italian boys. I feel like those Italian boys will come from Italy. They come Germany. They're not good. What do they follow? They don't good data. I'm not going to tell you a Benin boy they do. I'm not going to tell you Benin boy they do. It don't lock up. Until you went to a no give platform to fool yourself. You have no give small saga. I know get that clap, no get that deep away. When no money in it, be not deep away. I don't know small saga. without even knowing, hearing my own side. You understand? Because you believe where a no guy is a guy, man. That was your thinking then. Or now just touch you small. And that let you know, see, what make you in the Yahoo. To tell with the Greek carry grease. Eh, man, you get the we know we slow down, we know we from grass to grease. You understand? A boo henny man, it be a do, a massicay, a mamma, your own. You understand? Eh, we no bame. Eh, we say, oh, walk on bame quattro. You understand? So that was what happened the first time. That was when I first saga you that time. You know rest. You use me open all manner of page. You use me open manner of page. Thousands of page. We have a key. So they saga me. You see, the way of God is not the way of man. Man propose, God dispose. And I bet total. You go me tell me where. Oh, when a coma for the past a year and 8 months. You, Anabe, you are the cause of that boy being in that situation that boy is today. When I came to your house, that boy was heady, sound and heady. Those two beautiful sons of yours were heady. They were very sound and heady because of your harshness. Harshness as an irresponsible mothers. They nigga go because we were beating those children. That was another money. Ugbomo ya be a killer underground killer that is very cold. Very, very cold. Or when I have Guanabe, we have made a mistake, can use this to stone his home. That is Anabe for you. That is Anabe for you. Now, Anabe came, I brought you out to damn lives, to social media. The next thing you could do is to start, Anabe can post video, 10 video a day. Anabe does not have time for the children anymore. Good morning, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good evening. Support your sister, support your guy. Support your single mother. Good morning, good afternoon. Is this the first time coming on my platform? Like and love my video, follow my video, support your turn the notification bell. Yes, sir. This is Pradom. Prat Lotion. Me Prat Lotion. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning for 5 minutes. Bam, go upload. Another day, before 30 seconds. Good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon. This woman will not have chance, will not have time for our children anymore. She was no longer having time for her children. Immediately she see Facebook money, where I help and bring out from the YouTube, bam, 2,600. I had bust, beast. Hey, money the Facebook. And I head boss. He start madness. She started the craze for media. She can put a mouth for anything you think of. Any story on her, she go talk with. She was no longer dedicating time for the children. Now waiting land the children for the hospital. Where you go call the use man the pets to the extent you go carry face, you go block with the face, you go block this one leg, you go cover this one, you go just do all manner of nonsense. Our fellow women, fellow men, brothers, sisters who are abroad here when they don't depressed like Anabe. Then they clap for them. When Anabe picking the hospital, none of them follow Anabe go hospital. None of them support Anabe for hospital. Anabe, you, the whole son, they hospital for a year. How many months in hospital? According to Beck platform, your family here, a year and 6 months. I was shocked to go to your page and see the video where you say, congratulations to me, your son. I say your son, and this, the room where they put your son with this one. Your son, they put something for a neck. Your son will be say, he was sound, he was heady, he did okay, nothing they do. Huh? Now my present in the car, they go school, they go for school, the days have they play, who go supermarkets, work out and down. These children, they you know, be like picking where they get, where they feel go. They eat Africa food. They eat well. I was shocked, say, it don't reach to the extent. They come need to put something for that picking throats. Anabe, because of what's content. Because you want to create content. Ekene lala harake zowo. She not gonna let you tell the world or tell doctor or tell people what happened to your son. Your pikin dey for coma for good 1 year and 8 months. When you like the live video. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good morning, good afternoon. Support your sister, support your guy. Support your single mother. Is this your first time come to my page? Like and love my page. Follow my page. So, can you just imagine? And you're passing this through this hard time. Rest of mind you not get. Peace of mind you not get. Okay, our boys lie. Now your house, maybe your gap of all lies. No. And you take away one bougie. Boy from Italy or SARS from Italy come. You carry an house. You cover a leg, cover your hand. They use on the form. They use on the they use on the pepper. I don't know. Maybe Frank. Now they come your house. Come help you fix YouTube. I fix YouTube finish. I fix Toto. You understand? Now two things I can't fix for your house. Your Toto not good. I fix them. YouTube the blocker. I open them. The money when they say I make sure so you get the money. You understand? You pay me in kind. But Bene. You understand? Sister, I see the Toto where I fix it. I not fix somewhere. It's not good. I have to leave. You said no, say I must finish work. I say I not finish work. I can't die in small picking. Because for Danny or Danny, you understand? Your age small, but you're too strong. Umamo we no more bass and big. And I borrow leg, Jean leg, and run. With pistol here, not here. Nobody even know say I knock you. Nobody even know say we knock, we blow, we date. Peacefully in a mature way. Babe, after I did go my Igbo house. Last, I go see the come. After us, my mother don't say I don't get sister. As I said, discharge me, but go come meet Igbo house. If you sleep like 1 month, 2 months, I want to go see my sister. I will still come. What's up they do a wiki like that? Many people get Igbo for her. They still get black girls for her side. Normal level. And I said no, say I must marry her by fire, by force. Not be forced to marry. I tell you, say, babe, the one we have married for Nigeria, now God saved me. I take divorce that one at war. So I'm not still going to do another marriage now. If you get belly, I'm going to hear. If you get belly for me, I'll go pay your bride price. Simple. I know hide down. I tell you what, that was the agreement. And I leave. At the restaurant, you never reach out many days. You don't insult my father, insult my mom. The next, you send me a picture of one text, say you get belly. As I look the test, now my negative, you say my positive. That's all, boy. This guy not even know say me a science student. And the person we are there with for us now, doctor. You don't feel me so? Now I tell them, see, if you like when you get belly, if you born cockroach, now you know. And I say I must marry. It's not bass boss. It come out. Benin boy is not good. Benin boy is not good. If you're doing man, Italian boy is not good. Italian boy is not good. Okay, and see, who be this man where they for his ass? Now Calabar boy. Now Benin boy. I watched the video. See, you want to prepare a breakfast for a Benin man. A real Benin man, you are a manga, you are a mugo. A boy where Benin man good now be because a Benin man is no akukona. Wa zaga wa bon. Man don't know where do ya to boy. Well, we be a man. Oh, we had to let us know who no man why I say. Salas in Yagata, you can't be with neck in your hole. Salas in your neck money I did. No case zoo of media. Salasa. Salasa, the neck book, Ugualekan on here. Anabe. Oh, very sorry. A man, I be Janabe, I will go to Bijway. A man, I have an abia mother, I don't be a twin, Anabe of disgrace here. We are here. A manage and not be familiar with like the wheel. Me and you don't date. You don't go. I don't go. 1 year pass. You know if you move on. I don't move on with my life. 2 years. I don't move on with my life. Since 2021. This year, I get married this year. You still come out, come insult my wife enemy. If I date any girl, and you hear say I date any girl, you go carry the girl, come out, you come insult them. Me don't move on. You know your body go your way. Oh, now, they don't engage you. That's good. Now me wants to got you. And now me wants to tell you now, say, me marry move on. Eba mi ado vio bonu we na wotowoto. Eba mi ado buwe. Ne ya me buwe o. Mama salasa no wa ni ma biase ni because there's salasa double na biase no. In fact, I'll man here salasa. There's salasa double na biase no. Get salasa. Because exhaust you get fiane. Ona agole ke no mu koyi. Es o ma ke salasa we. We're not going to present on who are visual. Omoda. We're not in Nigeria. Una ye doni ju weji. Una spend it 3 weeks in do. Umami yo. Una rio kaleluya ni dizo kolelu weke obahyo. Ije no nyegbe biwe la jebeko. Umami ewa. E boko we oni. O gba ya mu yowa. A useless man say was a useless man. It's lasa. Kakabo go. Do we do he want to do. Na ekene egbe we kiri be do ni. Because isho egbe na rigba na ya bi no wa mi we. Ime oni kaso ati e bo na egbe ka vie pichinya ga gwe ni. Que so a disgrace egbe no kiri. Because money ho ni mu je do ni riozangi bi e do ni gwaji. A disgrace family wa. A una ekene wa ke nwa ke wa ke zore. Yen ga bi o ma bi ko. Your father might be good, you might not be good. Your mother might be good, you might not be good. You understand? But you know the idea, a goosey backman of years, a quenya in your be. So that's the reason why Oboy with different family will start. Yes, Oboy dinner would start because you cannot imagine the first day the guy with Pradmon. My Pradmon with video. The first day my Pradmon with video. That is when my family called me and told me where Umenwa, Derema. I've said this thing times that number on social media. My father took a phone and called me. I was with problem inside bed. Where bed is you? What's here from Benin? Where Umenwa? Oh, honey, go back a get walking way. In our was in my that was in a hero. Okay, kya we no abogi don you know kya we owe yi ade baba owe he de eni wa we na o hani o dereba ari ekpo enu wari o dereba you dey feel me so ona go dereba na we na kana mewe then me na mo no nyo de to me so no e je dia wa ya de moto e ari wa me we Facebook na YouTube na awu e ro me ina oke by hone gume ka me shoni ka round up e na ni munana you do fi say YouTube de ya YouTube the YouTube na nkekpa won so me na deceive me wani with star me make na we because me we YouTube na me we e problem me period na kana you understand good 14 days egbe why 7 days you imauhe because of that period me by what the problem me call me do we na get period here o iku unu days okoya me period unu days okoya me period yaka e problem na me yala le ohi ina when one lock up ona me yala le can go leak period be me na work in vampire no le sagi ina he vampire no le sagi on la lohe one of the generation ina we just that's my name now it's Salasa bokia oyo iya you may allow le ohe because they do have a they don't have with a color. I don't have a period. Umanya proud mom. What with the first father of the baby? What with the second father of the baby? The second father of the baby is a Yoruba man. Obi Yobani. Oni uene. Gumeje company. Our sorry na yegena. Sorry. Now, there is nothing on you. The same thing on Sundane or Sundani. If you are dating proud mom, be ready to live with proud mom without living proud mom. And then one step away, bye. They don't need so hard. Once you die, no joke out now. We get my Yahweh. We get my Yahweh. Do Okyani e biomo kauna. No ni lazi we don lazi mo ge e paje bodo gun a iri oni ame wi God I do my drink anwanyo. Imare go yo resaga we. All you mark bologbera. It get what it person the big pass. All your atrocities is on social media. And here they undocumented immigrants. Every undocumented immigrant is not a documented immigrant. You want me to murder you by fire by force, so that I cannot be the father of your last baby. Where passport of where? Who were trying to wear passport of who you were? I've never seen anything like passports in the house. I was just using my brain. Not go and fall a victim for the wrong woman. All the time say I look for documents. When I say your attitude, I decide to move ahead. There's no road here. I don't know what to make me give you doggy. I cannot give you doggy. Whether on the doggy they die puto, or on the lick you they die puto, or on the wotowoto, I don't really understand. Make I come out, make I go my house. You say no, make I stay. My clothes and everything, then my Oibo house. You say no, I don't worry. Money day, you will go do shopping for me. I say that is why I say my singlet there your house. I leave singlet for your house. I miss Otilo. You don't go. I move. Ogonati person look me. What problem with him? When she's angry, she can do anything stupid. Because if you see they do something, she won't let you know say she go fit do times 2. And the presenters at the day's house. Most people will call life joke presenter pass for this heads now women. Most people get problem pass for this social media now women. A day like this, if woman not come, they reach like 50. We will call. So we'll bring their problem come, their family problem. The way you go feel solve, you go solve. The way you go seek for your advice. As this phone day now, I don't get more than 4 calls for this phone. Please, I have something to discuss with you. Can I call you? I have something to discuss with you in day here. I still have to create time with my wife. Even though I didn't call for social media. Call go come. As jealous as proud mom. I'm going to put my home in my ear. It must be speaker. Make it for no say. We don't discuss anything like relationship. Just 14 days ago, we are still from our house. Before coming to our house, she was crushing on me then I don't know. Just 14 days, we are still for a house. My phone was there on speaker. So that she go to hear everything. Where anybody they tell me for social media. Assassin on social media. To the extent, she got vex. Waiting little me beat proud mom. A lady coming for Belgium. Pleaded with me to stop Sagari Monica. The lady saying get passport, he get Belgium passport, he get life contracts, he get house for Belgium. You understand? He like me. Now man, when just like now be. This one they speak out. Problem they will be for side bed. Say I beg if I can do that thing for him, he will come down, come marry me, give me paper, give me this and say now because of that one, me not go stop. I go start the saga Monica. So the woman comes to say I'm not gonna give up. She call they beg. No, I'm not get problem. If Monica they do well, I'm not go sagara. If they misbehave, and that's me because me I'm not go fit see person they talk, they deceive people. If they deceive people, I will come and tell the word the truth. You understand? This one, me and the woman talk. The phone desk speaker, problem was there. The next thing, problem not the verse. She don't the phone verse. She want to talk inside. So, and I got the woman say, Mama, I will talk to you later. I did very busy. The next thing, problem don't cut. I don't call the call. I call the problem say, So you talk to woman for food and be, and me wants to talk to man for. He carry for call on that man. He call man for phone. Hello, baby, how you doing? I'm missing you. Yeah, I think it's a joke, normal level now. It's not a joke. The man they reply, they follow up. My God, I'm not need to waste time. Now I'm wearing 5 cards. You wait for a year. 94. Sorry, they cry. Baby, don't do. And you make me slap you. I don't slap. I'm not do this kind of way I did. I'll deal with you. They call man, they follow man, they play love of woman. See you crocro eye. Afternoon. I'm not sure that nonsense. So. I tell that nonsense from you now. Unless maybe me and you never do 1 or 2 things. And so we'll cut the rest. I can't put that thing for brain. Say, man, you want ya. Why would you mean one? Man, what am you want to? Hey, voila. Let me and you. One of the destiny. And say, man, I need to go to the YouTube for that talk for phone. Say, oh, dere one, man. I say, good. Dere one, my guy. The next thing, this girl now, is me and married, we do like KO family. KO family and Ekia Queen. Ekia Queen and the mentor. Ekia Queen. Only like Ekia Queen say yes. See if Ekia Queen fits this husband. Blah blah blah. Don't see what this man only talk about rubbish things. This make Ekia Queen will be mentor so. Ekia Queen and Kate now kill YouTube. Now kill YouTube. We make we go our house. Proud of the show. Orowa. If you are children, the beats where they beat those children. Or if you're born, Anabe feel born. If you know your hospital now is coming from Anabe. The way it's treating those children, it is very, very bad. Because I watch the way you don't fear, don't you know how cold that underground be? Underground, you people misbehave, you go looking for the ground. Your picking go misbehave, you go looking for the ground. And down the ground, now that your washing machine day, and then the soft clothes food, it is very cold. You go from in room now, in passage, enter step, go down, go inside the ground. You go see your pikin go misbehave, you go lock your pikin for that kind of place. Tell me how cold no go to enter that pikin body. We make that pikin go land hospital. Tell me how cold no go enter your body. So you get this kind of you're passing through sort of nonsense atrocity. Your pikin dead for come out for good 1 year and 8 months. You see they come out of live video. Good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good dinner. Good morning, good afternoon. You want to reign. You want famous, may they know you. You want make money. You do a show for no way. Now you be any one of no way. Anabe, Yoroi, aka any one of no way. When you basha was no way. Oh, y'all want to hear about Nigeria? Go look the 4 flag which is built for Nigeria. It be like it be like this thing. Lapadusa who they pass the for Libya. Thank God you show you the other day you go to Nigeria when you went to Nigeria. Now let me want to know some of your hands with that one. Because you've told me before. As the reason they create content, say your friends now get this house, you want to renovate this house. I was just looking at you laughing. It was your property. Yes. I heard that you go Jinuga Arabe in no way. A chain no fee boy avec Mastercard no gage boy. We see what you use and do. And anyone of no way. You understand? After all this money where you get, you want to travel go Nigeria now 10 euros. And you drop for 2 children for 3 weeks. Then you give your so-called nanny. They are bulking when you did that time. When you say the pepper Umenwa. About this man. If they forget that, they remember you. Since I don't leave you, count how many women you don't, how many men you don't sleep with. Don't come sleep with you for your bedroom there. For that same one bed where me come. Not be the one we first come before me come. Not be the one we don't first come before I come. And I need to come. And I must come. And I really come. I come when you come. And I come make you come. My come you make you come. And you still confirm and say, yes, I'm a bad guy. Say, we take carry, but we not. Now, also, you never see you better person. Since I was born, I never see who will get to nipple. 3 nipple. 2 for 1. One breast, I go get to nipple. I never see him. Nah. That if it shock me. If it shock me, I say, hey. I say, where woman get to nipple? I lock up. What did they call you? Salasa. I believe that you could also have the breast. Check when I don't get two nipple. If you don't get nipple, you know, so you go operate them. You know, so you go operate one. Check on Salasa. Check on. If there's ever two nipple. Okonagbe yarine. Okonagbe yarine. You make us a constant. I can't put it. Make us a post on for you. You conscience Salasa. Then you see to you don't go pay bride price. Put away. No money. Why I see I. We no go anyori. Ewe ya mugo yom. Oswo. We no go anyori. To talk we all over the people they look like this. Now when you're a proud man, check all the show. All the show 1,000 husbands a day. Why you be attack ya queen? Oh God, I don't my drink. With that Italy, I told you I did a video for you. Now I'm proud man. I'm not in Italy. I'm here to live my life here. Move on with my life. Bro, please, move on with your life. Let me move on with my life. Shut up. Many people were the Jamie. Many of the tickets were not like now the Jamie. Me am about to still getting me and the way. See me and fear for my own way. Because we are on a big man. Because you are a disgrace. You understand? Are you a zero down? Are you a zero down? Or 20 your own brother buy. They bury your own brother for your plot of land. You refuse to send money to your siblings for us. They sell that plot of land. You say because your mama signed now. Maybe they sell a plot of land because of that one. You're not going to give them that money for years. More than 4 years. Somebody going to give you a right? You refuse to be sending money to your brother. When I share this video on a saga, sometimes when go to 10 money in my eye, when body to catch you, they go remind you of your atrocity. Maybe Salasa don't get now. He doesn't know where he's going to. He doesn't know where he's heading to. Oh, your boy dead, you there. Oh my God. I work in a salon and start to say, oh, that can never would it be. I'm going to give you words of wisdom. You get sense, you go learn. There are a lot of pretty single moms out there who are responsible. Who you go have passport self, you can mingle with, and you have peace of mind. Your family will have respect. A proud mom is a nuisance. Now me what I will wear. No, Belgian, go bonnet. And now go no giro. I was already no gi. Oh, when can it's a lassa. Oh, who ya bonigby. A problem is who ya bonigby. Oh, now, Musalasa. Salasa again or any. Salasi. Paula Salas, they pray, as they pray, they sing, as they sing, yeah. Akpike proud mom come down. Paula Salas, yeah, they pray, as they pray, they sing, and they sing, yeah. Akpike proud mom come down. Oh God, Franka Paula Salas, they pray, Franka Salas, they sing, as we sing, Akpike proud mom come down. And Frankie les Salasi, they pray, as they pray, they sing, and they sing, yeah. Akbike na be come down. Et pour la Salasi, they pray, and they pray, yaneru, akbika na be toure. Et Frankie les Salasi, they pray, and they pray, they sing, akbika na be toure. Oh, seka do. I da yifimu boy. Share this video. Come here and better than sit down here and that mugu with the cosalas. Salakia salue. Salakia salue. Asalevia kwena babado. Uene frank yek bufwa nuwe guyo. Uena agaki wabo. Agaki wabo. Toga. Prado lo show. Kia man. Oh my dear. It is good for you to have a husband and get married and be happily married. You understand? By now, I'm supposed to be celebrating you, say happy married life. Or when you turi, it first to do, you know the pay. My own not be do, because my own advice, they advise you. You cannot categorically, your mama would not be after 4 years, I mean 3 years. Now do I roll you could musi the memugo young, you are a man woman, bloody civilian. And you are expecting to get married to Salasa Hoa. No abandon money boo. Oh seke. No man seti kokore or ya kokore. You see the way me dinner. I'm a single father. I have a child in Nigeria. Every month, in going to pay. If I tell you how many accounts I pay money put every month for my son, I have a fixed deposit for my son. Then I have the account to say the money that they take every time. If I put the money for the 90 day fee to pay close on. That one I just from the courts. Anybody with offer divorce for Nigeria, go now add it in the plan. Around. You must get specific account where you put money for your son. A bank will give you the bill. See how much you're going to give your son. If the more they grow, the more your money increase. But on my own, as a father, I have my own separate account for my own son. That one money must enter every month. You say, I go put my account, my son account here. You go see, now your name day, my name no day. You not even connect my name. Now your name just day. That's my son account. And fixed deposit account be that one. You only touch until you complete 18 years. You understand? And when I see your meva, you leave and you abandon her for you go for Italy. You can't go Germany, go stay with woman. We get too picking to father. God. Oh God. Some people you not do. Some people you not do. Oh wow. So last now wow. You do sure. When I see this life, I see life no balance. When I abandon me, there will be who I am single mother. No, we won't move not be on the river. There will be the same way. My brother, you do. Oh wow. Salasa. Every few wet in a bower. Every kind with anything. Yeah, my end. The problem will get you know what Salasa? Every few wet. Tia you. Oze. The problem is so called this one. We're not telling Salasa bonu he. Salasa bona quicker. We're not telling Tell family where Tia diri. When I tell diri, colleague, because if you are from a good family, I will not see you will not have something to do with this animal. Who this father rejected, mother rejected, community rejected. Problem is the father rejected, mother rejected, community rejected. The full community are rejected problem. If you don't know, you should know. Annie one of Norway. This is Annie. She never tell you a story. How she was robbing in Norway. Problem my first story, my best story in my way. My what here no total. No done yo. We don't do agbene you no ro yo. Ire o ya ogbene. Yin se ka to yo nya joy. Yo nya me joy. O me if I see have no la fake account. You see this life, you don't balance. If you want to go, you are there where you go to the big pass. When you do saga, the super wife, I ignore you. I feel your pain. I abandon you. You were having 2 children. At your age, 36 years, you say you did. Today you decide tomorrow you do 34. Don't know. I abandon you, young girl, or call yourself young woman. I follow on that woman. We're busy. In mature, pass you old, pass you even get pledged to the more than you. I could pay a bride price. You supposed to know I was not stupid. You understand? Jazz. You understand? The way of the Lord is not the way of man. Man propose, God dispose. Go work on yourself. Now we say, good morning, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon. Support and support again. Support and start. Now so you support your sister, support your girl. Umami oyak ba mo. Na lando mo. The children that was healthy. Children that was doing perfectly well. Children when you go see, they go the hungry to carry. Now every problem children. Forget say the sangara. Waiting good about her, go to talk. You understand now? Waiting good about her, I go still talk. In children, they are very heady. And so she said the needs. Now woman with the needs. Probably woman with the needs. Fine. You understand? You know what I mean with the BL, but what they need. What they need. Even no money baby time. Even no mama hold it time. Oh, no, young. Because the more the day I the more you're getting older. And I believe you should be more mature. So that every no count my back will have changed it. Or have fear with it. Would that let you know or affect you negatively, but you don't know. When you will be here. Oh, why I follow up. Many of you guys, if we want to that's the reason why you feel nothing will happen. Or you're like, good morning, good afternoon. Somebody my people, hello. Hello. Why you went double mic? Double mic, hello. See where your hello land you on. You go there live video with the shadow children. Get inside. Et bien quand il y a quoi le love vigé, il y a un mien au blog. Et bien quand il y a quoi le love vigé, the time for children to deal with their mother, communicate with their mother, play with their mother. Those children, they don't have any other friends past their mother. They have no another friend more than their mother. When I was in Pradom house, Pradom they did live video. Now me and the children they did part of the play. Pradom they got to do. Me and the children. Now I go like they go climb me. We go they play. So have it in mind. The same thing. If I am not there, they need that play from their mother. But Pradom go do it. It did live video. It did good morning, good afternoon. Good morning, good afternoon. A day you will blue blog more than 10 a day. More than 10. Even 150 views they carry. Where you come to the get time, which hours you come to the get time for your children. For your children. Onyaga fear mona, you will not know so the fear. You will not say code they enter their body. May you get it. When you know say Jama, code they away. And you get close to the road. You get very open. Your house is very open to tie road, express road. Most of the past view, there's no breeze enter the house. You see, a lot of things where you say you lack of. When I watch those things from your video, where you get a video, you say, congratulations to you. Your son has been in the hospital for years. Are you serious? A mother, a single mother. And you are proud of it, proud more. You call yourself proud more. Proud biagia. Proud of the show. Any man can come in. How many men your children want to call father? Since I left you, I was in your house, your children they were calling me father. Just 14 days we are at your house. Your children don't they call me papa, daddy. They don't they call me daddy. After they come out, you carry a bucket come, and let me when you say you buy ticket for you to go to Nigeria, and let me go, that will be like straw. Now I'm going to be palo. When leg be like toothpick. You carry that one come. You understand? That one will follow your nanite fight. That one called last you. After that one, you carry the one will still go to report to what's the call Sarah. Abi, you carry that one come. That one come last you. Now so your picky go still call that one. All of them call it daddy. Now so that one that's toothpick. Now so you carry your son so the person guy the strong the waka. He does say picking. That must take us with that picking. That's normally God bless all those boys. Now so those children go still call the daddy. That one will still come out. Only you want to under 1 year. That one come out. Osas with this child Italy no matter. Osas is not guy. A bad guy. When you post the documents, that one still come. That one still follow your children take picture. Scan them through. Then they go cash cruise. Have fun with them. You understand? They still call that one daddy. Only you want daddy. Different every week they carry different money come out for 1 to 2. For 3 nipple where you get. Now God go help me. Thank God say I brush. This is my mouth where I think they suck your nipple. Nipple where almost full community does suck. Eh? Can you imagine? Every week, every month, different men they come they sleep with you. Also, look why I said, I'm an ordinary body, not the sleep with them. Before I come, if they drink what they call fluoric acid. Me take a woman that I make no ya be on our fluoric acid. That way they boost a immune system of women, they make women they take in. See, go with that, they know what they talk, they know the basics we are talking to. Fluoric acid. I read that. We're gonna jump right now. You know, so me, I smart. Before you carry go school. If you fuck finish, you go drink the medicine. If you fuck finish, you go drink medicine. Who na na me better you here. Oh yeah, I mean no way. I cause when this man they go the drink medicine, that one knock. So I can't observe and say, come on, now carry medicine now see and dodge. They tell that I don't understand dodge. So now I switch my folk mouth. I press translator. I snap the medicine. Put on translator. Oh, this is not for pregnancy. You understand? They make woman they could take in. Okay. Now come pin down. Then this man and she they always they tell me say, if I have the belly for you, then maybe you marry me for you. I said, may you relax. You never want to marry. The only way I will marry you, if parameter is okay, fine. If okay, what about I can't get belly now? If you get belly, I'll go pay your bride price. But cut marriage for abroad, I know they do. I know they see if I don't give me document, I say leave document. Government will give me documents. I go shop Aduro. I don't know give me paper. You understand? I don't want to use picking take great document. He say no, don't want to do the stress. If you can't go chop Aduro now, you can't dey camp. Only one can't dey house. I can't say carry your picking belly the waka. I know if you see draw, only one can't dey draw calendar. I say no. If the parameter say maybe you get belly, they will run down. They will transfer me con house. Will they live together? You understand? I was telling her, as desperate as she is. Now having in mind, she see me. She want born for me by fire by force. She want me to marry her by fire by force. You must marry me. You must marry me. Me, I come out and not marry like this. On that one will come. What do you go expect from that one? The one where they come with buy a ticket, that one not figure document. Automatically, that one they come. You see they come for the document we get. Guys, for Jerry, more than wise. There are some women, they want people to satisfy their sex urge. That paper, they're not going to give you now. When I go deep people's tire, they're not giving now. It get to a point where I use my brain. They don't need to use it on me. They don't use it. I have to use my brain. Say, man, God, I don't need woman to use give me documents. When I see the situation for Germany, now myself back ticket, oh yeah, Otilo, and they come Italy. Shabba, I come for Italy. Italy, they give people. That's it, come here. God no bless me. God bless me. I'm okay. I'm living fine here now. Down to they want to go to my house. For the most happen, you go up for you. Can us over you. I want laugh. Attitude. You know, we 2 years now. This is think about the way you call the friend for Nigeria. Oh yeah, take me, you are. You understand? And then why you test the different bulla, different Anna get bad character. One character we do with that woman. With this one now, this Salasa never know. One dubious character with Anna get. Hear me and hear me clear. Share this video. Make Salasa hear this word. And you go remember me. This one I want to tell you so. Anna they date you, my guy. Don't get another house or another place or get another camp where they travel, they go. If you try now, let me say quarrel don't come. Let me say marriage don't spoil. Your papa will suffer. Your mom will suffer. It go insult your father. It go insult your mother. Me and Annabelle will not fight one day. Will not quarrel one day. Annabelle escort me reach train station. Just with that tram for Fidasafe. Nana my day, Fidasafe, they call it city. We kiss as I went before the tram come, so we romance ourselves for train station. Before my boy pick me for Banoff for Stuttgart or Banoff. Where we take move. I reach us. Anna Beko not pick Gade my boo. He finish you. Ogun dene mwirame. Ogun dene mwi yikotin. Ina agbesi. Ogun dene insult upon injury. He finished. Nothing big quarrel come. We not quarrel. Mama back bina. Just where he walked back. As promised, because how I said discharge Annabelle. Annabelle does not want me to leave her house. She wanted us to be together. So that I just did there. He go buy me clothes. I will live with her for her. We will do live video together. I tell them, say, at the go house, I will come back. Immediately I reach my go house. I will pack my bag and baggages. I will enter the next train. Come back to your house. You can say, okay, now they free me. And the brain I use for Annabelle, where they move. As I reach my go house on Saturday, on Sunday morning, yes, don't set. Everywhere I cast now. Oguni. You just go finish my part, finish my mom for me. Begin just start. You don't enter live video. Benin boys. Italian boys. If you don't enter live video, but no speak of my Italian boys. That was when I opened up people on Mama Umenwa talk show. It don't start. Now there for the saga me. Italian boys. In our I had to take on the copy. Umenwa, talk to this girl. This girl, get out your union. Get out your union. I go still call her. You don't pick my call. He was not picking my call. Ogunaga day. I don't want to be the boss here. Man, the Benin boss you wear. Oga, I'm going to be Benin boys. Oga, Benin boys. Benin boys not good. Benin boys not good. Italian boys not good. Salasa. Oh, you go jano ano sungu. Salasa. Uga oye do iba bola we. Salasa. When I oye do. When I want to be with you, man. Una geli seka na iba bola we. In fact, Salasa. Kulera ya oheni. Uhe dama muri agbon wa gami soso muri agbon kulera ya we egbe te o e so yan kuyo because we read divi oye divi kulera ya uhun dama kun ya re Anabe iba bola we e ba we hen do live edu ma we nu ya yedo wa we yedo ma Benin boys no go na ma mare Benin boys won ko follow Benin boys dey engage dey happy agreement of gbo wa you engagement o kan ayo ye engagement iba bo kan la o heni when we yedo ma you will say Benin boys not good. Now Benin boys call the fuck you now. Hey Jesus. We don't see now when they follow President Amat. We don't see now when they follow President Amat. Tell me now. He don't encourage many for our women not to date Benin boys. Now at the end of the day, he end up with Benin boys. She end up with Benin boys. Especially Italian burgers. Italian burgers, so like they hot cake. Italian burgers. They find Italian burgers. For the whole Europe, Nigerian guys that fuck pass. Ask anybody. For the whole Europe, say men when they whip Nigerian burgers. If you talk of Oyibo, for all the Oyibo where they whip Italian niggas, Italian mafia. Italian mafia go handle you. They go salo you, they go salo press over your body. All your body go shake. That's how the black CB. Italian man, I was the Italian man. A boy not Italian way, you what? Now, when I straw, now I'm months. A boy not Italian. Every the you want to give me white finger. Let give me white finger. Every the you want. Italian bossima, Italian bossima, Italian bossima. A man can Francis Beckbo. Do I stay Italian bossima? The backbone from France come back to stay with Italian boys. This is easy. Dete boy ma sal Becky say, "Oh my, you can ball Becky with or Becky or packing from France. You have to take care of one." And when you retire blue, when you by Italy, are you France? A Becky not by France man Italy. A care yaku, a Italy. I play with Italian bola. I play with Italian boy. Fuck you. All your body way be like say come and finish, they not they go warm. Oh yeah. When I'm bossing with Vex Romania, you handle it. You go here. Vex Romania. Now today I see your life now. See where your life will end. Yoruba say I yellow. Not be Italian boys now call the last you now. If I feel now walking. I was on. They are making kuta. You just know where your life they go tomorrow. You further use man the scatter everywhere first. Use man the rig for now. At the end of the day now, What you say not good, now you can't put for house. I only pity the Salasa. Salasa, I greet you with better style. Salasa, oh, I down with her. This is my advice to you. If as you date this Okpomiliki one of knowing, when you date her, go and look for one small house, one room rent for corner. Go look for one room rent for corner. Because the day when in whatever day you look will dry. Now inside cool for feed safe and then you go sleep. Inside cool go no here. Why not book me on you? Do my kind you we bude. You on your Jemmy at your Italy. On your Jemmy, you go shift your left nipple. In where we not take a yet buff you or you sifa on your guy buefu. You understand? Not trying and make sure it's okay what soon we have back. The first cloth no worry is one jeans trouser and one jacket. Oh God. And they give you code now. If you just get misunderstanding with any single mother for Germany, what you just do? Collect one jeans trouser and one jacket. Then you go nowhere. Go finish your generation. Because on here far away from a dead body who gets only getting me. Echo ya the jacket. Why you are good now? Who you mamu you talk? I have a baby jacket. Oh, I have a baby jacket. I'm talking from experience. When they give you advice, we say, are the guests. I'm talking from experience. It was waiting work for me, nothing they advise people. Because I don't have experience on. I don't have sleep cycle to debris. For writers. Writers, you know where be writers, no way they do, know where be writers. Internet they did there. 247 free internet. Odiga, you have go snow they fall. If not be jack away, I'm here. I can freeze. They go be out. They'll say I freeze for standing. Here I'm not mood. You understand? Oh, whenever you a proud bomb. No, my full mouth at the talk. A proud bomb, almost jamais beaucoup. Eh no. Oh, what done? A proud making. Oh, no, you zandik wedu. That is problem for you. Oh, what jacosono. So, oh, we are not a negbi. I will move for Taiwo. Why Dangbe? We know how black boy or some of the black boy of Padova. Or what that Dangbe? Or what we gonna Dangbe? I Dangbe or Dangba. I mean, a daji. So we don't Nigeria. Pardon, I Dangbe. Or what Dangbo or Dangba? Honey, I saw immediately. What your imam? You know what I go here and I must know the where Dangbe. You understand? What Dangba? We know in a muyowa. My brother. We know or Simege a Dimofi. Or my brother. Or Hanny Yagbe. Or Hanny Yagbe. In Mauna, what baby? A born a hina. Or Simege Ezos. Salasa. Uguna could and we wa. Or Yagbo as a seven. When you book banner. Oh, and we were there. Why more you marry? Yes, sir. Why you marry was again? But no year. What do you? Ye got your honor you some abo, Ogono. So I will be your money presenter. It's just the truth. Because however, or when you know I can do. I put second on you, okay, I put second on you because only a Greek honor got the context. On no mass second on ye, any bruti. So when I see a banner of if you know you are not Ganama, are we got even you my always saw me. Even where I am well. No, here now I bear. Oh, my year, where carry one my name. I said, I go your way. What is that? So, I tell you, Salasa, who came Musa again? Because where's a bad of Musa? Salasa. So, Bobby, I die. Eka above your bib. Oh, so, I'll say, all affected as well. It's just the way it is. You understand? If you don't know now, make I give you the code now. That will drag your fire commands. Tia mawe miawe. Ira you ya ekene second ya bully yamati. Ya drag yamati. And this is just the beginning. You understand? A short video. When I share this video, give on. This is just the beginning. I will drag your family command. Because now what you do, person will do you straight down. Yeah, you boy yo. It's your ba. I be not so. Una support I not support her. When they carry when I be my wife come out, they not drag my wife. Drag. If power don't die, power don't die. They drag the come out for this media. In brother and siblings, they drag all of the come out for this media. You understand? So problem will not go different. You go feel them. You go know what it is to be to do to the knock for people door. We don't know for your door. You understand? Say you'll be now. They want drink. I want you. Who are us? See what's you go off with me. You only have advice in the problem. Can focus on the mom. Those children are your pride. You ain't gonna have a coffee or body now. Or not a coffee or bomb because I love when I will rest. A Jimmy will not have what I want. If you must say I want Gebele, the next month you go Gebele. That's Gemma for you. Yeah, Jimmy. Jimmy, woman go take say I want Gebele. The next month you go Gebele. God bless you. God bless you. Say I support you 247. You understand? That is Gemma for you. So definitely over here, man. Hello, when I will quite be much work with your man. Now I'm lying. Tell when you like the man because the way you do this now, the way you do this, I see you're doing this. I don't say you don't like this guy. What that my guy? Come in say we are more a digger be. Why you could dare? That was a nice one. That was a very smart one. I love that. Now you get it there. Eh? A boy that way show. Now your engagement thing, you know. A boy that go to put my okay. I want to go on with her. No, I don't want to engage with me. Now, what? God forbid you digi. What are you go delete and engage with me? If you don't want to see my hello?
Hello, bro.
I agree to another video. Let's speak out.
My already speaker.
Did you want to speak out? Let's speak out. Come on. All right. Yes, now. European country. Yeah. Aleta. Yes, now. Bon, viens à Dian, now. Bon, viens à Dian. Thank you. Man, understand. Who do you proud mommy now? Which the video wash? Okay, you have Sagai Becky. Okay, Sagai Becky. I see the Becky, you want bon. Man, understand. Becky, no officer, they support you. But what the truth I have to say is, okay, Sagai Becky. Oh, when Becky, you mock me. A Becky, you know, who went the whole European country, or many contract, but I am mock me. And I am Italy. Like, seriously? Wait, you are not letting us know where Italy European contract bon. This Italy where I did so. If you talk about fine boys, our black boys be fine. Now Italy here. All these Chegues fathers, they all start from Italy here. Italy and Spain. Italy and Spain. In case one. All these mama, when they talk to, they are from Mama Italy here. Italy, they get the best food, the best clothes, the best gold. Italian. You understand? Emma Kejemi don't have deal in Italy, man. I know how many people I don't wait things go give for Germany. For Africa shop, they will buy things for Africa shop here. Pack and go give them for Germany. You understand? We don't arrest Bayan. No arrest Spain. No method boy Spain. No really arrest Germany. Do you Germany? You will not who do offering Italy. Italy no ga. Ebu jomo. Italy ne fine boys here. A boys here no everywhere. They are all from Italy. They are all from Italy. Men no go you here. No we are wuna. Oh we are beg Rita. The Rita la no go egu megwa. No go egu megwa we who love him. Who only has somewhere. Every time we got say Frankie. Hey Frankie call. Hey Frankie no. What you know where come on? You use your mouth to tell me. We can do it on come on. You understand? Biakekba Italy with the go away. Ali me on the go away. Where is he from? Italy, not that from Germany. Assassin we posted the document together. The document we post Italian documents is from Italy. Italy just say unite now. Hello, again. If we were that way, a Becky Yamu by Italy, me aware. A Salasan we move America period. Me marry any Salasan is an Italian burger. Ujimahan. You are a muggle. If you go, my sister. You see your life? You say your life? Ni me yasu wi aye, o ma gbe kin wa gbon. O se na wa pa. Na ye mu den. Una ye mu den, ni yasu wi aye. Wa ye ka o ya ku. Me ga gbe so mi yu egbe. Egbe na fresh na ye mu si. Una do know what you Umenwa. Well, I have a boy in life with some of me. God bless you. I remember when you did Verona. There, me, you know, me na confirm. Sit me one him confirm. Sit me one him Verona. Sit me one him tight. If you here. Why you boss Italy yaku? Why have you no Italy? Italy boss no good. Italy boss no good. Italy boss no good. The one where you put is from Italy. You come for live video. You trauma for Italy boss. The Italy boss you do not talk boy. You can't book your way. You Italy boss no good. Italy boss no good. Which boy good? Which Italy boys? Who they marry for this country? Not the Italy boys. Who they do marriage? Put up right God. Which of the boys? Which of the countries they do marriage part for this Europe as a whole? Not Italy. Not Italy. Now Italy, they say that they do marriage, they do common marriage, they do traditional marriage. Now Italy here, marriage you go. You know how many? Since I get this, I know how many marriage I don't go. Do you know how many marriage I don't go? Both common tradition. Italy and Nigeria and away. Uno marriage, a birthday, I'm in Germany. Birthday, party or Sunday. National birthday, I'm in Germany, I'm in UK. Italy don't go. I will just not go. We have 5 boys there. You see, men they Italy. People from Canada, they friend me for Italy. People from America, they friend me. They come down. They have the tickets. They have the how do work Italy? Who go easy? Golden Bola, Bojono prick. Why you keep Bojono yako? Sese guante. Piano amour review. You have all we. When I take Italy, Italy next swag be. Hey, you boy yo. On my Italy. If you're abroad, Italy, you lose. Why? Why? You go abroad, you know, you are a loser. If you there abroad, you there Germany, there Australia, there Canada, there America, there anywhere, Spain, you never test Italian prick. My guy, you they lose. I swear. So now those say 1, 2, 3 Ija, 1, 2, 3 Ija, Italy Yoga, Italy Yaji, ni na yaku egwa, or the Taliban. Go we could say or the Taliban. One is president you Italy no. Italy they'll go so they go to Bojono senior that use and spray you for party. They'll bust up on your head. Now Italy here. Ask any musician when they come abroad, say, wait for money pass, they'll just Italy. You see when they say when they talk say Italy numero uno. This is not a joke. Then winner award numero uno, Italian numero uno. Not be we talk that name. Now Italian people that give this, then they will give that award numero uno for the whole Europe numero uno. They are oh yaro. If with the salon or the bed no I boy you wrong. Big be agiao, ewayanji. Yanya, I mean, I was in Yariagu. It can look at it. Don't go to the elbow. Apart from Italian people. Now, Italian people will feel said their own house, they'll give you. Italian people don't feel will their own will, their own have the will and they'll give you. Italian people. Are you no yak make ya fino guitar no ga. Italian music. Italian manami and bad no go baze. Italian home mama before 4 years, 10 years, I say away. What I like to know, I like to wait the tickets. The country will not try. Who will whatever for good 2 years, who will the tickets? Who I like to know, I like boss, who the tickets? Who will you walk now here it's now Italian, now then for the happen. The coin now let's say our women just in never we don't never already or say when the bon leg. We're not talking about a peace of mind, say it's a genuine Hana Gabier. All my years for Jenny, I can never sleep and cover to eye like this. Yes, one. Now one eye close, one eye open. Ordinary and blast one kind of person. We go here, one you go open two eye. This is a police come. Jamie, you get document to don't get document for Jamie. You don't get us to bite. Anytime can be 6 o'clock for Jamie. Anytime can be 6 o'clock. I tell you, I could have no money, I feel no guitar. Anybody when they say they do well for Germany, they ask their roots. Ask their roots. Now from Germany, now from Italy here. That's a Germany they so ask their roots. Who they do well for men and women when they do well for Germany. Where they for staff, where their house will staff on for Italy here. Either if I'm going, this is just a little advice, a little saga to this Ozuo, where you call yourself Prado do Show, and this Salas, they pray, they sang, that we keep Prad mom condemn. Paula Franco, they pray, as we pray, we sang, as we sang, Uhana be come down. If I can't Salasio, we pray, we sang, as we sang, Uhana be come down. Siwo, Anabe miuk biamure. Seri edima, oga kwikono. Oh, Anabe mu. Wana miamure o, sister ya wen legbe duluku. Wana miamure. Ewi yo mono. Wana miamure o, sister no ye le wen legbe duluku. Wana miamure o, Anabe ubierui. Ewi yo mono. Oh, agwedia. Sadasa we ki aga gin wo he. Agbekeyo. Uga bi he na. Uga la kero la vie ko na. Ne woto na. Ude gagun. O ma we de do ma. Ipe ni kita le ma. Ipe kita igbo oro we na ya te. Ya le la ni ri bini ma. Ona we ri bini ma na we. La seriously ri bini ma. O ise kinu yo na ri bini ma. Aha wa ti ga mi ale. Ba bola wo he yo asun gare woro wa. Na senstika buha. Agba oge mo ge gbera mo si. Wa gboko pia. Nonsense. Useless woman. Was zon de yami ahiokuta. So why go look since then? Yeah. A marriage man working on pressure gets marriage. Baba. I carry grace. I wanna give me love like. As I marry, all my ex they don't I put them for speed. I put them for speed. Yo, I put them for speed. Maybe one marry. Yeah, no one. You marry. You go laugh me. I don't get no time. Oh. No understand. Why would I made a mistake? We have fun, fine. We don't true, shall I don't go. I go all different ways. If I ask you tomorrow, hey, baby, what's the level? Why you doing? Hey, I husband. Fine, that's me for you. I don't get I'm not putting up a man. We move on. I don't move on. Maybe you know you're going to men. Why can't I don't know why I dirty my cannon. Hello, barrister. Hey, that's my 002. That's my 002. all the way from Netherlands. Let the clear room.
Now you cause this problem, bro. Now you put this marriage issue cause social media.
I don't know.
Now you break record. When did they forget for years? Now you come bring and go again.
They must marry. They must marry. You know, say, if I say single mother must marry, and they not be married, but my own, I show example. They need to marry. They may they marry where?
And the worst part of me, you know why they last sometimes, eh? Single mother they find wife, single father they find husband, single father they find wife.
That's all now.
Abi?
That's all we do. You know, say this thing with this now. Many women now you go tell them, you go let them know say, me deal, they not go put head. In a what no many. Now be what they worry many women. Also you're not single. No many now. No many no my babu.
But they don't already born. What is the need to get married? What is the need?
So we don't born the marry. They are part of the switch of money. They not get character, that person. Their character. Yes.
But you try, Shai. Now that one you come do for this social media, you try.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You try well.
Thank you very much.
But your ex-girlfriend, we say whether this one will still marry him, man.
No, he must marry him. If he doesn't marry him, I'm going to beat him. But the truth is, I need to beat him because when I marry my own, so they come and they beat my own. You understand? So now payback time with this one. We want to come beat them now.
Yeah, waiting for Brad Mommy. Brad Mommy, if you there here, may I see just give you small advice. Where do you forgive? As you don't get this guy, you're not even supposed to carry a call social media, you can't do saga with them. That one no good. Don't understand. They say if one don't do person, the second one you use and take guesses. I don't understand. Because if people come up now, they'll come to the camp and follow you. They'll say, from Victor, come. One come when you carry 50 come out. Another one come when Sarah T-Boss carry come out. They'll come the camp man, they follow you. May you come up for saga. You don't do. Only say,
thank you very much.
you marry your husband, may you carry your husband enter house. Abi?
Thank you very much.
And also,
that's all.
My opinion to that.
Thank you.
Now, bye.
Yeah. You see? Okay, they use the man to do saga. Me because me watching me go you man ya saga. But bon la ya saga all boy have done. That is my theory. Man we bonu de we book ban we kiake we de na. We book ban we kiake o boy dagbe because problem. Oze na edu. Problem. O boy dagbe my dear. Beni meyi meta. The malaka be monate bonimo. You understand? Me on like can insult people's children. So that's why I don't insult people's children. Hello? Hello. Well. Oh, what do we trade? We trade now, Saga. Egui, me go trade. What? Yeah, because one way head we trade. Only one book. I will know in your ear, no, yeah, where at the one stand. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yes. I if you wasn't. I if you wasn't. Yeah, we are coming, but I didn't know you. I didn't know you. Oh, I want to get on why you know that go. Again, I'm good to you. Water. What? All right. Don't even invest somewhere. What you call stupid pass? It can't be saying now. He and Becky now. Now can be fat. You think they wonder me say what you call the cost of my 2S? My 2S girlfriend though, where I don't fuck dump. Understand? Now they told they call it fact so. Now cause ya. Why they soon there? Here I vanai. It ever seen ya in there. Me I been na. In your Frank Victor way. Or I never know but you Frank Victor. Oh, that's Frank Victor. Now make Frank Victor. Then because Frank Victor go do. Go soon now. But when you back your hammer, you back your hammer. I couldn't back your hammer. Yeah, boy. The back your hammer. I may see. You may see. The man wants me man by Becky. Hey, Salova. The funniest part, these two women, they can lie. A Becky Yama, Becky Yama. A Becky Yoga no give. They no give him when I show a fool. A Becky and Naga will yell out the Riene. You understand? You get a cast in every hour. A Becky protect your miscarriage. The Becky, well, Yoga no give. Before you go, no give party. Mommy. Mama, let me OPTV. Let me OPTV now. I'm on PTV. I'm on PTV column when it did lie. He can't say what they didn't when the Kaji now. You understand? If they try let us say he don't get belay. He don't want to talk for lie. I watch that video before you go into marriage. No. You understand? So no, a Becky mama, a Becky now mama. If Becky not get belay, he can't say get belay because he want to pay Frank Victor. He may not cause on the look son. My wife tell we in the massive bed for years. Make una do una make I do my leg. Make una leave me. I don't really enjoy my day. I don't go marry the day leave young girls. Young girls make una see remove out my body. What you want I? I'm not a you boy. I'm not a oh God. Me marry like a young girl. Me marry any life in the day. Oh, but me marry the day. Wow. Easy, does it? We can. Il est là young girl. Il m'a mis bé. Il m'a dit mon wag. Mon dad ban. Et il est dedans. Et il y a fille. Et na gege na nyao. Iwe mi ya fille ya. Et il y a fille. A life may change. Let me dwell inside a day. Young girl, they your name. Hello?
Good afternoon. I can see you for live video.
Yes. I did. I saw they drink my beer.
Your two heads, they are the facts.
My two heads. You have me now. I need to come to them. I need to come to them. You need to settle them. Help me settle them.
No, you will settle down by yourself. I'll say, what they call a shop right now. We don't reach your body. I'll say, like, yeah, you're welcome. You know, so I better you that they say, now when my papa put body, now I will put body. Don't forget, I congratulate you. You just took care of us since then. Oh, congratulations, we are coming. Daddy, ọbẹ̀ Becky mẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ọbẹ̀ Becky ọ̀wá yẹrẹ ẹ̀gbẹ́. Ní ẹ̀lọ́ ṣọ́pẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ yẹn máa ṣe Becky àárí ẹ̀. Becky àtàwọn ẹgbẹ́ kò ṣe ìmọ́tò. Ẹ̀kọ́ Becky yẹn nìyẹn dùn mú. Ọ̀nà ìmọ́tò náà wọ́n bẹ̀ kẹ̀kẹ́. Ọbẹ̀ Becky. Ọbẹ̀ Becky ni ìrẹ́tàgbọ́n náà yà ṣe ń jẹ ìmọ́tò. Ìjẹ́ tó bí ṣe yẹn Becky ọba àwí kẹ̀kẹ́ ni ìrẹ́tà mọ́ni. Ẹ̀lọ́ ṣọ́pẹ́ ẹ̀mọ́ Because the way they pay the good price for this guy, you know, good.
Proud mom is pregnant.
Daddy, the saga will too much.
No worry.
Depressed,
Okay. Oh yeah, me I pick up that call.
Okay, sir.
Proud mom is pregnant. Proud mom is pregnant. Oh boy, proud mom, my mother who is pregnant. Asha what da gebele. Ida gebele shakara da endo. Shakara da endo. Endo shakara da endo. Igbiya gebele shakara. Asha what da gebele shakara da endo. It doesn't gebele out of wedlock. I just said jelly ring your bomb because of his pregnant. Hello, bro. Hello. Agree. Me I call with a program. Ya will be at phone. Asha wada gabele shakara do endo shakara do endo shakara igbi ya gabele shakara do endo shakara. I don't say don't gabele spiritually. As is that drink beer. What kind cannot see does not exist. Hey Becky, are you friend of Frankie? You win and don't be any Frankie. You are even you born and don't be me. When I sit down, you two of the way they fight, so none of the good. None of the good. No matter what. Can you affect me? Yeah, I thought that document. Error. You might use a guy and we are not the document. Hey Becky, we are don't be no man. We in love women like Bill. On the saga, this is true life story. This is not saga. And now Becky. And I come out and not see a bit of beer. Oh, Allah was the good wife. Now we are here. Up beer. You want decide. Do you need a beer me? You might decide. Because now the Becky beer me. A Becky told me. A Becky finger me. You got a Becky you want, you talk. Yara rewu yen ya owu ni ya yewu but yara rewu igare Becky you wa egbe oko me. Becky is a liability. A Becky our kino. Then I see her and that's the kind of woman I need in my life. Who that they make money, I also need more the hustle. So that life will be easy for me. Ediga hagboni. Becky nakba. On son saga. Mana saga egbe abi? Not like that. Geyawu. When the Becky dey gese o. E ma Becky friend ni. Oya member friend we no ga kiwe na. The video call. When the mommy friend egbe ni. Becky dey ya member friend we ni ga kiwe na video call. Especially fake accounts. Unwe gbo Becky. Ima oni gbunu yo, me maye na we. When na lewa. Fake accounts. The Becky anya no hina Becky ba love you. E fast lewe no. Now, a Becky mamare. Osas. See, with due respect, Becky is not a married woman. Okay? If you don't know, you know now. Becky only did introduction. Introduction is not married. Becky is still a single mother. Hear me and hear me clear and get that into your skull. Becky is still a single mother without no marriage. No bride price has been paid on Becky's head. Becky only just did introduction. Don't be deceived. A Becky here introduction. A Becky na wa remi. Ma ye moton. On a pas qui a dit. On a pas qui a dit Asti. I mean Asti. Close to Alexandra.